humility, and today we're going to present our research entitled Perceived Social Stigma and Self-Esteem Among Graded Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Students. So, education plays a crucial role in shaping the future of students. However, perceived social stigma creates biases between academic track and technical vocational track. In many countries, including the Philippines, technical vocational track is viewed as inferior compared to the academic track, which is viewed as superior. This can affect the self-esteem of the technical vocational student, whether they take it as positively or negatively. So the aims of our study is to determine if there is a significant relationship between the two variables and if that relationship is positive or negative.
Statement of the problem. Number 1. What is the level of perceived social stigma of grade 12 TVL students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? Number 2. What is the level of self-esteem of grade 12 TVL students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? Is there a significant relationship between perceived social stigma and self-esteem of grade 12 TVL students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? Or is there a significant impact of perceived social stigma towards self-esteem of grade 12 technical vocational level students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School? So our independent variable is a perceived social stigma, or the negative thoughts of other people to ourselves, while our dependent variable is a self-sense, or the self-well-being, or the self-emotions.
So theoretical framework. First is labeling theory by Baker 1963. So this theory explains how societal labels or stereotypes assigned to individuals can influence their self-identity and behavior, often reinforcing negative perceptions and limiting aspirations. Second is looking glass self-theory by Foley 1902. So this theory suggests that individuals develop their self-concept based on how they believe others perceive them, shaping their self-esteem and social interactions. Thank you.
Research methodology. Research design descriptive correlational. Research responded simple random sample and 89 sample out of 114 total population of grade 12 technical vocational livelihood TVL students of Pablo Lorenzo National High School who are enrolled for academic year 2024-2025. Research instrument made by survey questionnaire. Statistical treatment of the data means standard deviation, Pearson and simple regression analysis.
So on to the result discussion. So this table shows the level of perceived social stigma. So it gained a 4.2, a mean of 4.2, or described as high, means that this kind of experience is constantly at present here in Pablo Lorenzo. So on to the next table. So this is the level of self-esteem. It gained a mean rating of 4.07, or described as high, means that it impacts in a positive way, that students exhibit generally on confidence, self-worth, and resilience in their daily lives here in Pablo Lorenzo National High School.
So this table shows the correlation between perceived social stigma and self-esteem. And the R value presents that there is a positive relationship between the two variables. And this p-value 0.00, which is lower than the significance level, shows that we reject the null hypothesis, meaning that there is a significant relationship between the two variables. So this is the table of the influence of perceived social stigma on self-esteem. This beta coefficient 0.729 suggests that there is a positive relationship. And then this R squared 68%, meaning that the perceived social stigma affects the self-esteem 68%, and the other factors is lead by the percent. And the p-value leads us to reject the null hypothesis.
Summary. This study examined the impact of perceived social stigma on the self-esteem of grade 12 students using a descriptive correlational method. Data was collected through a survey questionnaire.
Okay, congratulations. My question is, can you please give us more meaning about the insight on the relationship between your independent and dependent variable, and give also the meaning of that impact? Since both give us the statistically significant results, can you please expound it more and present more literature that supports the findings?
So our result shows that there is a positive relationship between the two variables, meaning that as perceived stigma increases, the self-esteem also increases. This leads us to challenge the fact that the common conception that if a person experiencing the stigma, the effect on them is negative. But here, the result in the study is positive. So that's why the students of TVL track make the stigma as a motivation to them, or they make coping mechanism to this. This also aligned with the theory of Wegner and Zimmerman of psychological resilience. It suggests that a person, an individual who faces stigma can develop self-motivation or self-coping mechanism to grow out of it.
Congratulations.
So, thank you, 12 humility. Now, let's proceed to the 11th Garnet. Alert and protected the untold benefits of emergency alarm systems for homeowners and building